nom du groupe ALDE.
Mr. President, Mr. Commissioner, congratulations to Mrs. Sornosa for her excellent report. This legislative report follows the mercury strategy report voted by this House last year. It aims at restricting the placing on the market of new measuring devices containing mercury. Mrs. Sornosa rightly agrees in the main with the proposal before us and reserves only some derogations in cases where there are no appropriate substitutes yet available. My group strongly supports this proposal and considers the rapporteur's amendments useful and appropriate. Overall, the proposal meets with widespread agreement across Parliament, apart from the single well-known issue of the barometer controversy. The difference, as you very well know, is that the Council has agreed to a compromise proposal to grant 2 years derogation after the entry into force of the directive for the small number of producers of traditional-looking present-day manufactured barometers. This, we feel, is a reasonable solution and gives these manufacturers time to implement mercury-free substitutes into their products. This view is not shared by some colleagues who hold the opinion expressed through Amendments 1 and 2 that there should be a permanent derogation for traditional-looking barometers. The matter is not of huge importance in substance, as the amount of mercury used in these instruments is tiny and safety measures are adequately implemented by the manufacturers. At the same time, as a question of principle, no long-term derogation is necessary, as the manufacturers have ample time to adapt in the case of safe alternative chemicals without the need of introducing a risky precedent in safety directives. The issue has unfortunately grown out of all proportions by a section of the national press which want to portray the matter as one of heartless and bureaucratic Big Brother style EU interfering with poor, honest to goodness traditional instrument manufacturers and trying to destroy them. This, as you well appreciate, is not true. ALDE's position is to follow scientific logic and not to accept permanent derogation for barometers, but realising the strength of feeling among some MEPs will not be unduly strict with those ALDE colleagues who choose not to follow the group line. Although, of course, there is always the risk of the barometer amendment go through and jeopardising the whole proposal. Let us hope that this will not happen. Thank you.